out today, me and Tyler. We come up to his uncle's place. It was an old church and probably was built back late 40s, early 50s. And I finally got my first good hit. You can see it sticking out and it looks like silver.
56.
Is that what it is?
Looks like it's in good shape too.
Yeah.
Flip her over. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's shiny as hell, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. Back the camera up some.
Yeah. There. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, hopefully we find some more. We're here going to Metal Tech today. Me, Beck, and Tyler's here with us. This is a buddy of ours that we work with. This house was built back in like 1920, so we're hoping we can find some nice stuff here today. And we're going to get started and let's see what we can find. Well guys, I found my first find here today. It looks pretty good. Looks like it's a silver diamond. I'm going to reach down in now and pull it out and let's see what it is. So Roosevelt. And 1964. Well, hopefully we can find some more. We come out here today at this old foundation out in the woods, and Tyler had the first great find, U.S. military.
Belt buckle.
Looks like it's probably from back in the Civil War. Nice find, Tyler. Well, we're here still at this old place, and I found some kind of a buckle. I ain't quite sure what it is. I'll have to try to do a little research and see. It's brass, so we'll check it out later. Okay, we're back, and here's all the finds that we found today. These are mine here. This looks like a belt buckle. I'm not quite sure. If anyone knows, let me know. This piece here is some kind of a button. You can see where the pin was on the back, but there's nothing on the front. And I ain't quite sure what this is, but it has like a spearhead on it, and it's broke off. Don't know if anyone knows what this stuff is. Leave it in the comments. Over here is Tyler's stuff. He found, it looks like a miner's badge and some hair clips. And over here is a great find a lot of people look for their whole lives. He found a U.S. military Civil War belt buckle, and it does have initials on the back. It looks like, what is it, Tyler?
IP.
IP.
I think.
Might have to clean it up a little better and check it out. Over here's Dave's stuff. He found a big plow. He found a belt buckle here. He found a thermometer. Once we clean a little bit of it off, you can see the numbers running up through. And he found an axe head over here. And he found this old bottle that says Lysol on it, all the way around it, which is pretty cool. And if anyone knows what this is, we're thinking it might be the end to a flagpole that they may have mounted on their house or something back then. Let us know what you think it is. And appreciate you guys stopping by, watching the videos. We'll see you later.